Alright guys, this is a cold start of my NCRS Top Flight body off restored 63 red split window. As you can see, it's cold. I mean, I can touch anything on it, it's all cold. So, reach in and hit the key here. Runs smooth. Gauges. High idle right now because it's cold. Turn it off, high idle. Clock works. Radio will work. We had a station to get. So, good oil pressure. I'll back it out here and I'll get a walk around for you. This will be the walk around outside video of it running. Red 63 split window, body off restored, NCRS Top Flight, 97.7 it scored. Engine runs smooth. Push this hood down here. Didn't quite shut it hard enough. But everything fits great on this car. Just an absolutely beautiful car. Interior's just as nice. Door panels. Trim and VIN tag up under the dash here. Everything is beautiful in this car. Headliner, everything, impeccable. All the lines and fits are just great. Show you headlight operation now. Everything is just impeccable on this car. Does not need a thing. Everything is really nice in this car. Up the hood one more time. There's the motor. Car's got all the original dated components. Radiator, carburetor, starter, master cylinder, this alternator, original born with motor, real red car, no hit body, great fits. You'll look long and hard to replace this car. They're not out there. Want to see anything else? Let me know.